Hi everyone, I'm Aviral and welcome back to Surf's channel. Today I'm going to discuss a topic that is going to interest a lot of people in sales, business development, or lead generation. And it is what types of tools and what tools specifically do you need to help create an optimized sales process? So before we dive into the tools themselves, let's think a bit about the workflow. If you want to find leads and get on a call with them and then eventually close the deal with them, what are the things that you actually need? Firstly, of course, you need a tool that can help you identify people from different target accounts. You would also need a tool that can provide you with the business email addresses and phone numbers so that you can actually reach out to them. Then you need tools that can help you in automating your outreach efforts, because really, if you've got like tens and thousands of leads, you can't be doing that manually. And lastly, you're going to need a system that can bring it all together, manage all of it, keep it in place so that you know what's happening at any given point in time. This kind of is the workflow that you will have to set up if you need an effective lead generation strategy. And considering this flow, let's dive in to what tools you actually need to take it to the next level. So first up, when you want to start your sales process, you need a tool that can help you in finding target accounts and target profiles that fit your buyer persona and ICP. And if you don't know what a buyer persona is, then I've got a video specifically about that, and I'll drop a link to that in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And two tools that I find extremely handy when it comes to this are LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Surf. Both of them provide you with a range of filters with which you can search for target accounts and find relevant leads within these accounts. Surf also provides you with a lookalikes feature. So, let's say you have a particular customer already in your database and you want to find other existing accounts similar to this customer, you can put that in the lookalike search and Surf will recommend you similar accounts to target. Now that you've identified the target accounts for your outreach efforts and have even found a list of leads and prospects in these accounts, you need a tool that can provide you with the valid business email addresses and mobile phone numbers so that you can actually contact them. For me, some of the best tools on the market that do this are Apollo, Hunter.io, and Surf. Each of these tools provide you with data enrichment capabilities so that you know that the prospects you're reaching out to are actually receiving the emails that you send and that their phone numbers are completely legitimate. Surf has another great functionality in that it's a waterfall enrichment cascade. So when you use Surf, you're not just restricted to one database, but you actually get access to up to 15 leading databases. And this is really nice because sometimes some tools may be really efficient in a particular industry, sector, or geographical region. But if your outreach efforts encompass all of this, then Surf is the tool for you, specifically for data enrichment and for finding contact details. Now that you've got your list of leads and the accurate contact data for them, you need tools that can help you create and automate various email campaigns, drip campaigns, or newsletters that can be triggered based off of certain actions. Personally, I recommend tools like SalesLoft, Lemlist, or Outreach, all of which are amazing. These tools are particularly effective in helping you create cold email campaigns or other drip campaigns that can be triggered based off of specific actions by your leads. So for example, let's say you want to shoot an email about your product to a lead that visits your website. Or if you want to send them a message offering them a particular discount code if they visit your product page, then you can create these campaigns from these tools. Additionally, if you want to launch cold email campaigns to thousands of leads, then you will have to automate a part of it. And these tools can not only do that for you, but can provide you with the ability to A/B test different campaigns and give you reports on those A/B tests so that you know what's working and what's not. In addition to cold emailing, if you also are interested in cold calling, then personally I recommend Aircall or Gong. Aircall is a really interesting tool since it can also mask your mobile phone number or provide you with a phone number which is belonging to the same geographical region as your prospect. And studies show that your leads or prospects are more likely to answer their cold calls if they see that the phone number that's calling them is from the same country as themselves. Gong is another tool that I would recommend to any salesperson that does a lot of cold calls, since the tool can actually provide you with transcripts of the call itself. This can then help you analyze at what point did the lead or the prospect raise an objection or potentially reject you, or perhaps even mention a competitor. Gong can analyze all this information and provide you with detailed insights and reports that you can then use to improve your cold calling script and improve your chances of conversion. Lastly, if in your team you've got multiple people working on lead generation, potentially digital marketing, and actually doing sales, then you need a CRM that can bring this all together. Personally, I recommend HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive, as these are all in one solutions with a lot of applications that can help you optimize and automate various stages of your pipeline. They can help you in managing notes, tasks, deals, and any other activities, and really bring it all together. Having the right tools in your arsenal is extremely critical and can help raise your sales game to the next level. You not only want the tools to actually serve your purpose, but ideally you also want them to be easy to use. The tools can't really provide value to them if your marketing and salespeople are struggling to understand its interface. The tools that I've recommended in this video have an amazing value proposition and are easy to use even for people who don't come with a technical background. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, hit that like button, subscribe to Surf's channel, and I'll see you next time.